it's Nitu, and today I thought I'd do a does this thing really work? And so two of my mascaras have become pretty dry and I wanted to kind of continue using them and not have to buy another one. So I found out that you could re-moisten the dry mascara when you put a few drops of lens solution into the tube. So I thought I'd test it out and see if it works. So the first mascara is this by Benefit They're Real. It's a sample version. It's like the small version of it. And there we are. You can't really tell, just by looking at it, you can't really tell that it's dried out. But when applying it, it definitely is dried out. I'm not wearing any eye makeup today, but anyway, so let's put some in here slowly and carefully. Maybe I'll put, like, they said to put 3 to 5 drops in it, but I'm gonna put like 2 because it's a small tube. And then you put it in and, you know, move it around, shake it around. I've heard that you shouldn't pump mascara because that dries mascara out and encourages bacteria to enter, I guess. And so you're supposed to just twirl the mascara like this. Okay, it looks the same though. We'll see if it makes a difference when I put it on. So I'm going to put it on now to see if it's better. It looks the same just by looking at it. Apparently mascaras are made of clay, so just putting solution in it can moisten them. And most solutions are antibacterial as well, so wow, it definitely is a lot better. I'm really impressed by this actually. I'm not sure if it's as good as when it was brand new, but it's definitely better. I can definitely keep using it. The other mascara I have that's dried out is this one by Innisfree. It's the Innisfree Jumbo. This one's still okay, because I hardly ever use this though. But this is the Innisfree Jumbo, and this one has dried out. So I'm gonna put a few drops in here as well. And then you're supposed to twirl it again. This one looks different. It looks like the formula is thinner, visibly. The Benefit mascara is a waterproof mascara, and this one's not really waterproof. What it is the kind that washes off with warm water, so it doesn't come off with oils, unlike the Benefit one. So, I'm gonna put it on, and let's see. Put it on this way. It's definitely a lot better. I don't think it's as good as what it was when it was brand new. So, but you can definitely continue using your mascara like this. I think it works better. I think it worked better with the Benefit one. But here, let me show you. So the question was, does this thing really work? And I really think it does, actually. I'm quite impressed with it. I didn't expect it to work, actually. But it does work, so that's great. And if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and see you next time.